I just want to start this vlog number 6, with something cuddly that you'd expect to see in Quito, Ecuador, that even has the locals excited. Surprisingly, Quito, Ecuador has a modern metro line. Only one line, but it's a long one. I say surprisingly because Bogota, the capital of Colombia, still doesn't have one. It was built by a Spanish company and officially opened in December of 2023. Surprisingly, a one-way ride on the metro, no matter how long, is only 45 cents. Even in mid-afternoon, you can see that the cars are pretty crowded. So, yeah, watch your valuables.
I'm going to do a panoramic view of this unbelievably modern metro that was built by the Spanish, apparently.
You're viewing Travels with Lobo, vlog number 6 on the Ecuador playlist. In this vlog, I discover Quito's modern subway system. I'm impressed with Cotopaxi, the nearby volcano. I visit the symbol of Quito. I got to see the new metro system as a result of the theft of my phone, which had me going to a high-tech mall near Quito, and here I am at the Quito station with John, who was the son of the Airbnb owner.
I'm at the shopping center Caracol in northern Quito. This beautiful view here. But I'm here because I lost my iPhone yesterday. It was stolen. But, you know, shit happens. Right?
Yeah.
And I was lucky enough to have this gentleman help me. What's your name?
My name is John.
Okay, John is the son of the owner of the Airbnb that I'm staying in, that beautiful Airbnb. And he was kind enough to come here and help me go through this process.
Wow.
And we ended up buying a Motorola phone.
This is a mall, and these buildings are the most highest in Quito.
Okay.
So you can see a beautiful view.
It's a beautiful view here.
Yeah.
Right. So I just want to say thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
One more time. I wouldn't have been able to do it without you.
For more about John and the Airbnb that I stayed in Quito, click on vlog number 1, Ecuador. The station is a huge photograph, and it shows a snow-capped mountain near the city.
Can you repeat the name?
Cotopaxi.
Cotopaxi.
Cotopaxi, at close to 6,000 meters, is one of the highest active volcanoes in the world. It's only 50 kilometers from Quito. It's located in Cotopaxi National Park. Although beautiful, it was not on my list.
And when you see another place is Virgin of Panecillo.
Okay.
At this point, John is pointing at perhaps the most famous landmark in Quito, known in Spanish as Belgian de el Panecillo. Panecillo refers to the hill that the statue of the Virgin Mary is standing upon. It's also known as the Virgin of Quito. And here is the view of the Virgin sitting on top of Panecillo Hill as seen from Centro Historico. It's a symbol of the city.
It's Sunday, March 15th. How appropriate to be here on a Sunday, because behind me is La Virgen de Quito, the Virgin of Quito, this tremendous statue that hovers over this beautiful city that is behind me. Difficult to capture, but yeah, look at that. Surrounded by mountains on all sides. And in the middle, the Casco Historico, the historical center. What a beautiful thing to drive through. I'm on a bus tour and I just drove through it. Some amazing video. Yeah, so that's the view from La Virgen de Quito. Have a great Sunday.
And right there in the middle of the circle, the highlight of my Quito trip when I climbed on top of the Basilica El Boto Nacional, the National Vow Basilica. See vlog number 4 in the Ecuador playlist. Thank you for helping me relive this wonderful memory of Quito, Ecuador, some of the highlights. And the next vlog will be the last one from Quito, and in that one, I'll be taking a city tour which takes me through the heart of the historical center. See you next week.